going on, guys? It's your boy Brian from the Main Man Barbershop. You can tag me at BP_barber on Instagram. This is my favorite part of the haircut. I love doing beard. You ask any barber what's their favorite part of the haircut, this is mine. So what we're gonna do is we're really gonna fade this beard in. He likes it skin and really fade it into the chin area. So I'm gonna take my trimmer, and this is like a real drastic fade. So what I mean, we're gonna start right here on the angle, just like that. Take all this out. So obviously, what we do on one side, we do on the other. Like again, routine. So I look at the angle I'm at. Taking all this off. I'm gonna take the foil and we're gonna skin all this out. When it comes to fading the beard down, it's the same principle as fading at the top. I do the same thing. I'm gonna open it up to the half. Make my guideline. Then I'm gonna close it. And then I'm gonna start fading into that guideline. This is a closed 0, and then I'm fading right into the open 0. The thing is, you gotta really work the fading with the beards, because beards can be a little tricky, especially like the way the hair grows. You know, it's not like it doesn't grow down like the way the head grows. It grows all different ways. So you really gotta like really work the fading when it comes to beard fading. So as you can see, like I'm holding the clipper in like so many different ways just to get to that half line mark, just because his hair grows differently, especially when it comes down to the neck. Alright, so again, with the 0, you open it up, make the guideline, and then you go back with it closed to 0, and start fading into that open 0. And really work the fade in. Just keep going with the notches. Just play with the notches until you start seeing the lines come out, all the way up until you have it open. We got the 1, we're gonna open it up. The guideline. There's your 1.5 right there. And we're gonna start fading into that 1.5. And we're just gonna lightly just go, not too much into the goatee area, just lightly, because we're gonna shape that with we're gonna freehand that. Go back with the 1.5. Get that little area right there. We're gonna comb everything down, and then right underneath the jawline, I'm gonna make my line. Lift this up a little bit, because he likes a little hang time, you know? And then we're gonna clean all this off. Once I line it up, you're really gonna see the pop in the fade, right? Because you can already see it down here. That nice transition. And then when we do on one side, we do on the other. So basically I just did what I did on one side, I did to this side. Same routine, took everything to the half line, stayed everything up. Because it makes sense, what you do something on one side, you gotta do it on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna have to take the half open. I'm just gonna trim down his mustache. Get rid of these master splinter whiskers. Take the line it right above the lip. This is where I start taking the machine and start like lining everything out on where I'm gonna put the blade. The line doesn't gotta be perfect because you're gonna make it sharp when it comes to the blade. You just want to take the hair down. Give you your guideline. Alright, so we're gonna get ready to shave him. Put his head back. Get him real nice and comfortable. Gonna drape him up now. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use our Easy Blade shaving gel. We're just gonna apply it to the areas that we're gonna shave it. This stuff is real light. It's got a real fresh smell to it, real clean, crisp. Kind of like that mentholy feel to it. Clients like it. They always asking me about it, where I get it from. Now we're gonna drape them with a hot towel. Clients love this, it's their favorite part. Kind of puts them to sleep. Drape it over, that way the pores open up and shaving gel really gets in and softens the hair. So you get a nice glide to the shave, no irritation. Open this up so you can breathe a little bit. Right. So we're gonna start off right at the top of where you have that little gap right there. So now that I did this, I just want to check it out, make sure my markers.